Do you want to choose who can contact you on Signal Messenger? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do this, just go ahead and click on your profile on the top left hand corner and then click on Privacy. Then you can see the phone number option. You can choose who can see your phone number and who can contact you on Signal. So you can go ahead and tap on it and you can see that if you don't want to be accessible, you can just go ahead and select the nobody in who can see my number and who can find my number. If you want everybody to know your number and you want to be fully accessible, just go ahead and select everyone in both of these categories. So this way you can choose which people can find you and who cannot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.